Be ready for the dictation. Start. Permission to file petitions for special leave is granted. By way of these petitions, the petitioner oblig informant seeks to question the order dated 14 November 2022 as passed by the High Court of Judicature at Patna in criminal miscellaneous case number 151 of 2022 and 195 of 2022, whereby the High Court took note of the offer made by the accused respondent number 2 of making payment of a sum of rupees 75,000 to the petitioner oblig informant, and considering such an offer and having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case pertaining to offences under sections 406 and 420 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and sections 3 and 4 of the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, granted the concession of pre-arrest bail to the respondents subject to the offered payment. The allegations had been that marriage of the informant's daughter was fixed with son of the respondent number 2, and in the engagement rituals, amongst other things, the informant's husband gave a sum of rupees 6 lakhs in cash to the respondents. According to the petitioner informant, thereafter the respondents demanded further money and vehicle, and for such a demand being found inappropriate, the marriage was called off, but the respondents did not return the money and the articles. It appears from the submissions made that earlier the respondent's prayer for pre-arrest bail was declined by the Court of Additional Sessions Judge Patna, and then the petition filed in the High Court bearing number 5967 of 2019 seeking pre-arrest bail was also dismissed on 2nd April 2019. It appears further that after the report of investigation, the trial court found enough material to take cognizance of the offences against the accused in its order dated 14 September 2020. The respondents thereafter made yet another prayer for pre-arrest bail, which was again declined by the Court of Additional Sessions Judge Patna on 21 December 2021. Hence, the respondents approached the High Court and their petitions were considered together and decided by the common order dated 14 November 2022, which is sought to be questioned in these petitions by the informant. One of the submissions before the High Court while seeking pre-arrest bail had been that one of the accused, namely Vijay Malviya, was granted pre-arrest bail by the High Court in its order dated 10 March 2022, passed in criminal miscellaneous number 323 of 2021, after considering that the money involved in the matter had been returned by a bank draft in the sum of rupees 6 lakhs drawn in favor of the informant, which was handed over to her counsel. The pre-arrest bail plea of the respondents herein was, however, opposed by the state as also by the informant inter alia on the ground that the processes under sections 82 and 83 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 had already been issued, and that the money spent in engagement ceremony had not been returned. Thereafter, an offer was made on behalf of the respondent number 2 herein that he would make payment of another sum of rupees 75,000 by way of demand draft within 6 weeks, and accepting such a submission, the High Court granted the concession of pre-arrest bail subject to the offered payment. seeking to challenge the order so passed by the High Court. Several grounds are urged in support of the present petitions, including that after issuance of process under Section 82 Criminal Procedure Code, prayer for pre-arrest bail ought not to have been granted.